Do you know what this is? This is a page from Oprah Winfrey's gratitude journal dated October 12th, 1996. And did you know that Oprah Winfrey has written her gratitude journal without fail for 10 years straight? In several of her interviews, she has mentioned this, that everything that she has achieved so far, all the wealth, the fame, the success, everything was possible because she wrote her gratitude journal without fail. But after writing it for a decade, somehow she stopped doing it for some reason. But after a gap, she again started her gratitude practice, but in a different form. And what that form is, I'm going to tell you just in a short bit. Do you know what this is?
This is my brand new gratitude journal. Yes, I just restarted my gratitude journaling because just like a normal human being, I too had started writing my journal once. I continued it for a while, reaped the benefits, and then one fine day I completely forgot to write, and from then onwards, my habit of gratitude journaling started breaking away. Then it completely stopped.
I used to feel bad that I stopped writing my gratitude journal. But then I came across a research paper by the University of California. It said, although gratitude is very hard to define because it might mean different things for different people, but more or less, gratitude is an emotion. And most of the people would agree with that. And that struck me very hard. And I realized that it was all about practicing the emotion of gratitude, the feeling of gratitude, rather than making it a routine or just a thing on my to do list. Let me repeat it. It's all about practicing the emotion of gratitude rather than making it a routine or a thing on your to do list. Ishani, are you saying that we should not write our gratitude journals every day? Or are you suggesting that gratitude journal doesn't work at all? No, 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 no. I'm not saying any of that. I'm not at all implying that. In fact, scientific research has proven it that those people who write gratitude journal every single day are happier and more successful in their lives. So I'm just going to share with you the right and the best way to practice your gratitude so that you can manifest everything that you want in life. You can attract all the wealth, all the love, that dream job, that dream house, and everything that you want in your life. But before that, remember one thing: the stronger your feeling of gratitude is, the better your manifestations will be. Far better good things will start showing up in your life, and you'll start manifesting even faster. Wherever you'll see, you'll find miracles happening around you. Firstly, don't force yourself to practice gratitude. Like I said, if you treat it like a thing on your to do list, a daily routine, then you'll start losing interest, which means you won't really feel the true emotions of gratitude. Even though you will be writing it, but the emotions will not come out of you. So, gratitude should come very naturally to you, because when you're showing your gratitude from your heart to something or someone, it will bring out the true emotions, the feelings of gratitude from within you. And that is the sole purpose of writing a gratitude journal. Secondly, don't restrict yourself to just writing a gratitude journal, because gratitude can be practiced in several different forms, in various ways. Remember, I told you about Oprah's different form of practicing gratitude? After a gap, she again started her gratitude practice, but in a different form. Yes, she started writing it electronically. In fact, I too write my gratitude journal sometimes on my phone using an app. But as long as you are feeling what you are writing, your form of practicing gratitude really doesn't matter. Whether you are writing it in a notebook with a pen or you are writing it on your phone, you are typing it. But that feeling should be intact. That is the most important. Thirdly, say thank you directly. Sometimes you might not have your gratitude journal, or you might not have your tablet or your mobile phone with you. So, why don't you just go and show your gratitude to the people around you, to your family members, to your friends? Directly tell them that how grateful you are that they are in your life. And I would recommend you make it a habit to say thank you, to show your gratitude to the people. Maybe they are just your domestic help. Maybe you are purchasing your groceries from them every single time. Just tell them that you are grateful that they are doing this work and that you appreciate them. So don't just wait for your journal, straight away go and thank the person. You can even do it for inanimate objects. You can thank the tree. Directly talk to the tree. Talk to your plants. You will feel so much pleasure, I guarantee that. And finally, the most powerful way of practicing your gratitude to manifest all your desires is the two-way gratitude. This means you are sharing your list of things that you are grateful for with someone, and in return, they too are sharing their gratitude list with you. This means that you are doubling your feelings of gratitude. You are doubling the power of gratitude. And it will be best if you share it face to face. And if not possible, do it over phone call or over video call, but share it with someone. Hey, by the way, if you have any law of attraction success story, please share it with me on my email ID, ishaniguptaspeaks@gmail.com. And we'll feature you on our next video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.